In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this four-wheel drive switch in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. To get the headlight switch bezel out, you can take a trim tool and just get underneath and just pry it out just like this. But even easier than that is just grabbing the two switches and just yanking towards the back of the vehicle. It is clipped in right there, there, and there on both sides. Now we'll disconnect the connectors. Just push down on the tab here. Slide that up. You can disconnect the other connector as well. Just make it a little easier. Now you want to remove the switch from the bezel. Just take a pick or even a small screwdriver, get underneath here. You just want to put a little pressure from the front of it. And same with the back. And then the switch comes right out. Take the new switch. Make sure you're going in the correct direction. Line it up. Lock it in place. It's a good idea to put it in the same position where it was when you took it out. So we'll put it back in two-wheel drive. Now take the connectors, line those up, lock them in place, and slide the bezel in place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.